Hi there, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melody songs, which is available for free at my website at ukestuff.info. Just go to Ukulele Music and then down to the works by Elizabeth Ragsdale. This is for Camptown Races, which appears on page 21 of her book. Now, I do want to make a point that in music education, we have been made really aware of troublesome songs for various reasons. Some have improper lyrics, some were created for settings that we would not think are appropriate today. And Camptown Races, even though it has been a traditional American song, fits into that category for both original lyrics and for original use, probably in blackface minstrel shows in the 1800s. So with that, you may or may not want to use this song or perform this song or practice this song. That is up to you. However, now you've been informed. And I do think that you can perform music of historical context being fully aware of what is going on with the song. So therefore, even though I struggle making this video and making it available knowing the history of the song, I do think that there is value to acknowledging the past and then working with the song as long as you keep that information as a part of what you do. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to demonstrate the song on low G GC ukulele, then I'll do a tutorial for the song. Then I will also demonstrate it on high G GC ukulele because it will work for that, and I'll demonstrate it on Baritone DGBE ukulele as well. You can use it on baritone, you just have to ignore the written notation. All right, let's do a walkthrough or tutorial for the song. We're going to start on the second string, third fret, two of them very fastly picked, 2 16th notes. Then leave your finger there, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, lift up, play the second string, put the third finger back. First string open, second string, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Third string open, second string open. Now, I put my second finger on the third string, second fret, play strings 4 and 3. Lift up, third string open, second string open, put that second finger back on string 3, strings 4 and 3, up to the second string, third fret, 2 of the 16th notes. Strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, lift up, second string, put it back, second string, first string open, second string, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Third string open, 2 of them. Second finger goes on the third string, second fret. Strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string, second string open, third string, second fret, and then strings 4 and 3 open. String 3, strings 4 and 3. String 3, string 2, string 2 with the ring finger on the second string, third fret, and then jump over to the first string, third fret, play a full C chord. Repeat the first string, F chord, first string, second fret, first string, third fret, first string open, ring finger goes down the second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, strings 4, 3, and 2, second string twice, lift up the second string, so second string open, third string, second fret, first string open, second string, third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open, third string open. Then second finger on the third string, second fret, play strings 4 and 3. Second string open, second string, first fret, second string open, third string, second fret, strings 4 and 3 open. And that's Camptown Races as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale on low G GCA ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Camptown Races as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale. Incidentally, if you like chord melodies, you can actually find more of them on my website at ukestuff.info for free. You'll find chord melodies by me, you'll find links to the works by Tony Krimlisk, and you'll find links to the work of Spencer Gay. Those are free at Uke Education. You'll also find a link to the works of Mike Lynch, the late ukulele Mike Lynch. Those are not free, they are for sale. And I do have 2 books of chord melodies of carols and hymns available at my Buy Me a Coffee page, buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. Again, thanks so much for joining for the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.